It's your boy, Young Equity Chris.
It's your boy, Young Equity Devin. Let's get it.
All right, today we're doing an update video on the stock. MNDY.com, ticker symbol MNDY. And I always tell you guys, don't sleep on our sleepers. We told you about this IPO. We actually said this is one we would get. And if you got it, you would have 2x by now.
100%, man. MNDY.com is a software that's pretty cheap, right? It's cheaper than its competitors. There have some other competitors out there for project management software, and it'll be around 150,000, 183,000 for full licenses. Or if you want to get something that's less sophisticated, it'll be 50K for all users. But MNDY.com for 3 users is $24 a month. That is insane. I've never heard of anything like that, right? And up to 40 users. If you go over 40 users, you're going to have to receive a quote. But I don't think that with the pricing that they have, I don't think it's going to be more than $50,000 a year. You know what I mean? It'll probably be somewhere between, $1,500 a month or something like that. But what MNDY.com does, they help you with your CRM, which is your client relations management, right? So if you have a client and you want to meet expectations, you can log in, you can ask them, how are you doing? They're going to give you your KPIs or key performance indicators, and all that will be in the software. Another thing that it does is project management, right? So if you have a project and you want to submit a workflow to somebody, they have an action item that's outstanding, you can check on it. You can say, hey, why haven't you paid this invoice? Hey, Becky, go ahead and do it. You can send her an escalation email. MNDY does that for you. You can also check your budget. You can check your schedules. You can put all that in there. They have the Gantt chart for you, which is a full project management schedule. You can also do your IT projects in there. You can do your business management, all your operations. I even think you can do some type of accounting in there. So this software is not as sophisticated as some of the others, like your ERP systems like SAP or Oracle products or your unifiers, but it is a great cheaper option and a cost-effective option if you want to run projects and other things in the software.
Well, I have a couple of questions for you then, right?
What's
Since
up?
you're the expert in this field from a technology standpoint and a project management standpoint.
Okay.
So at my company, we currently use SAP as well. So I thought it was funny that you brought that up, and we don't do anything in construction. But how do they plan to make money if they charge so much less than their competitors?
That's a good question, because looking at some of their information, like they don't have unlimited cloud storage. So I think if you want to extend, then that's kind of where they make all of their money, right? With the storage and the data. And then I feel like with the workflows, you'll probably have a team come in and they'll implement, right? So somebody will come in and build out these workflows for you, and they can create them based off of what you have going on at your program. So they might make money on the front end for the implementation.
Yeah.
Or, as you keep increasing users, that's probably how they would continue to make money on top of that as well.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Okay. So the moral of the story is this, right? They did beat earnings.
Yeah.
And a lot of analysts are very bullish on the MNDY.com stock.
Right.
But in your opinion, because, right, they're not making much money per their financials.
They're not making money per their financials, but if you're looking at their competitors, I would say that MNDY is actually a great choice if you're looking to run projects, Also, they're getting a lot of pub from, Hulu.com. That's when I first saw them. If you have the commercials, we talked about that before, right? Then MNDY.com is on there. And then they have over 100,000 companies that are actually using MNDY.com, which is great. And if you have a small business, you want to run something in there and you want to become more formal or standardized, then MNDY.com is a great option for you.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I say it's a buy. At this price point, no, it's not a buy, right? But when we announced it, it was definitely a buy. So I would wait for the pullback. I know a lot of analysts are saying that it's between 250 to 350 range. Right now it's trading around that 350 range. So wait for a pullback. Anything around the 10 to 20% pullback, I buy.
Okay. That sounds good to me. But again, what do I know? I'm definitely not an expert in this.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Thank you guys for checking out the video. It's your boy, Young Equity Chris.
It's your boy, Young Equity Devin. Let's get it.
Let's go.